Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I have the Neewer NW800 condenser microphone. The microphone is plugged into my SSL2 solid state logic. The gain is about 55%. As you know, this is a condenser microphone, so requires a 48 phantom power. Let's see what comes in the box. Alright, so let's see now what comes in the box. When we open the box, the first thing that we can see is going to be some documentations and also some specifications of the microphone. Also, we have a really nice shock mount actually, which I'm surprised that you can find in this type of cheap microphones. Also, we have a windscreen foam. My opinion, the windscreen foam is pretty good. Also, we have a XLR to 3.5 millimeter cable, but we're not going to use this cable today. We're going to use an XLR to XLR cable. And last but not least, we have the microphone, the NW800. First impressions, the microphone actually is pretty good. It's all metal, but it's not heavy. It's quite light actually, which I'm surprised. First impressions, pretty good actually, not bad. And now let's see some of the specifications of the microphone. So impedance is 150 ohms, sensitivity minus 45 dB. Frequency response is 20 Hz, 20 kilohertz. So this is some of the specifications of the microphone. This microphone is gonna cost you about 16 to 20 pounds. Actually, I bought it for $12.99, 13 pounds. This is a return product from Amazon warehouse, which I'm okay with that. I don't mind to buy like a return products. This product actually is pretty good, in a amazing condition. Comes with all the accessories as you can saw. But other than that, I think this microphone is okay. So this microphone is a Cardio 8 unidirectional microphone. So I'll demonstrate right now. You have to talk front of the microphone because basically the Cardio 8 is like a heart. So let's demonstrate now. So apologize about the noise that I'm gonna make now. So as you can see, this is the front of the microphone. I will spin the microphone just to have idea what is the Cardio 8 unidirectional. So should be some difference when I spin the microphone. So let's do that now. So this is the front of the microphone. So let's spin the microphone right now. So I'm spinning the microphone so at least you can have idea what is the sound quality. This is the back of the microphone so you can have idea what is the quality. And now this is the front of the microphone so at least you can have idea. So let's do that now quickly. Again, this is the front of the microphone so at least you can have idea. The unidirectional and the Cardio 8 Apollo pattern. If you change your directions or if you place the microphone in a different way. Alright, so let's put the microphone back now. So this microphone actually it's not bad at all. My opinion, it's a cheap microphone, but if you're on a budget, in my opinion, I think it's a great buy. And the reason for that is you are the judge. You can hear the sound of this microphone. Personally, I think the microphone sounds very good for the price. I mean, the cheapest phantom power probably is going to be like a 25-30 pounds. This microphone costs like less than 20 pounds. And if you're on a budget, I think this is a very good buy. But let me know, what do you think, guys? I mean, do you like the sound of the Neewer NW800? I reviewed another cheap microphone a couple of days ago. I reviewed the Behringer XM8500. I was surprised about this microphone as well. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a comparison between these two cheap microphones. But personally, I think this microphone it's a very good buy. Obviously, the build quality is not fantastic. It's still it's metal. Also, when I press the microphone on the top, doesn't have any problems. But other than that, I think this microphone is decent. Another thing that I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the windscreen foam just to see how is the sound quality with the plosives. So please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. At least you can have idea how is the plosives. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So this is without the windscreen foam. So let's do that now. Apologize about this sound now that I'm gonna do when I put the windscreen. Alright, so this is with the windscreen foam, so let's do the same test now. So please bring pizza pronto, please bring pizza pronto, please bring pizza pronto. So you should have idea how is the sound quality if you use the windscreen foam. By the way, my Windows is open, so there's a quite noise, so again this is very good. Just to see how is the sound quality. My room is not being treated, so I'm gonna clap right now. At least you can have idea. Also, I'm gonna bounce my table, so just to have idea how is the sound quality. Also, I'm gonna bounce my shock mount. Let's see if the shock mount is gonna do anything. I mean, let me know. You are the judge. So guys, let me know what you think about this microphone. Let me remove because the microphone is much better like that. So let me know what you think about the NW800 from Neewer. Like I mentioned, this microphone is gonna cost you about 16-22 pounds. Second return product is even cheaper. But yeah, let me know guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts. What do you think about this cheap microphone? And also, do you have any suggestions? Leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe if you had fun today, if you learned something new. As always, I will see you in the next video, guys.